All right, LinkedIn legends and lead-starved legends in the making. Gather round the digital campfire. Forget everything you think you know about LinkedIn being the land of stale resumes, awkward connection requests, and inspirational quotes posted by people who haven't had a coffee break since 2017. Because today I'm pulling back the curtain. Today I'm showing you how I turned LinkedIn from a polite networking snooze fest into my personal lead-spewing fire hose. How I landed, drumroll please, 500 paying clients in just 3 months. Not magic, not luck, not even a suspiciously large inheritance, just pure, unadulterated, slightly rebellious LinkedIn hacking. And guess what? You can absolutely do it too. Buckle up, buttercups. Class is in session. First things first, mindset shift. Stop seeing LinkedIn as your digital resume graveyard. Start seeing it as the most targeted, high-intent, buyer-rich goldmine on the planet. Seriously. Where else can you find CEOs, decision makers, influencers, and people actively looking for solutions, with their job titles and company names proudly displayed? It's like walking into a conference where everyone wears a giant name tag saying, "Hey, I buy stuff like yours." Hack number one, your profile isn't a tombstone, it's a billboard, a really sexy one. Forget the boring, results-driven professional seeking synergies. Yawn, snore, zzz. Your profile is prime real estate, your headline, not your job title. It's your value proposition screaming at the scroll-happy masses. Mine went from digital marketing specialist to helping SaaS companies turn LinkedIn scrollers into paying customers, DM growth for my cold outreach checklist. See the difference? Intrigue plus specificity plus clear call to action. Your banner? Ditch the generic city skyline. Use a clear benefit-driven message. Maybe a short, punchy video intro. Your about section. Tell a story. Mine started with, remember cold emailing 200 people a day and hearing crickets? Yeah, me too. Then I cracked the LinkedIn code. People connect with struggle, transformation, and results. Show personality, a dash of humor. If your profile pic looks like you're being held hostage by corporate headshot standards, change it. Smile. Look approachable. Be the person someone wants to talk to, not the one they feel obligated to connect with. Hack number two, stop collecting connections like Pokemon. Hunt with purpose. 500 random connections? Useless. 500 perfectly targeted connections in your niche? That's your future client list waving hello. Laser targeting is key. Use the search filters like your life depends on it. Job title, company size, industry, location, keywords in their profile. Get surgical. Don't just connect with marketing managers. Connect with marketing managers at SaaS companies between 50 to 200 employees in the US who posted about lead gen challenges in the last month. That's the juice. And the connection request? Ditch the default. Seriously, LinkedIn should charge people for using "I'd like to add you to my professional network." Criminal. Personalize, personalize, personalize. Reference something specific. Loved your post on scaling sales teams, Sarah, or saw we both follow John. Big fan of their approach to X. Make it human. Show you actually looked at their profile for more than zero point 0.3 seconds. Aim for a 70 to 80% acceptance rate. Mine, consistently above 85%. Hack number three, the engagement engine. Be the party starter, not the wallflower. Connecting is step one. Now warm them up. This isn't about blasting sales pitches into their DMS the second they accept. That's how you get blocked, ghosted, and probably cursed. Become a value ninja in their feed. Comment genuinely. Don't just say great post. Add insight. Ask a thoughtful question. Disagree respectfully, if relevant. Be the first or most valuable comment. Visibility skyrockets. Share relevant gold. Found an amazing article your ideal client would love? Share it. Tag people who might find it useful, not spammy tagging. Create your own killer content. Short posts with one big idea, carousels breaking down a process, quick video tips. Share your wins, humbly, your fails, vulnerably, your insights. Position yourself as the helpful expert. Consistency is not posting 10 times a day, then vanishing for a month. It's showing up reliably 3 to 5 times a week with value. This is the social in social selling. You're building know, like, and trust before you ever ask for anything. It transforms you from random salesperson to that helpful person from LinkedIn. Hack number four. The DM dance. From warm lid to red hot client. Okay, they're connected. You've engaged. They've maybe even liked your stuff. Now it's DM time, but not with, "Hi, buy my thing." The magic formula? Personalized opener. "Hey, loved your insight on about." Really resonated, especially the point about period. Shows you actually paid attention. Quick intro and relevance. I help achieve, like we discussed achieving. Connects your value to their world. Insight chart value drop. No ask yet. Based on what you shared, I actually put together a quick tip doc thought on. Maybe share a micro piece of value, a framework tip, a question to ponder, a link to a free resource, like a checklist relevant to their challenge. Give first. The soft ask. Curious, is something you're actively focused on right now? Or would a quick 10 to 15-minute chat this week be valuable to brainstorm? No pitch, just ideas. Low pressure, high value. Track everything. Use a simple spreadsheet or CRM, name, company, connection date, last engagement, DM stage. Follow up gently, once a week max if no reply. Persistence pays, but respect the silence. Hold up 5 fingers, triumphant. Hack number 5, systemize and scale. Your lead machine on autopilot. Doing this manually for 500 connections? Madness. You need simple systems. Content calendar, plan your posts, videos a week ahead. Batch create. Engagement blocks. Dedicate 20 to 30 minutes twice daily just for genuine commenting, sharing. DM templates, personalized. Have frameworks for your opener, value drop, and ask. Personalize every single one. Templates are skeletons. You add the flesh and blood. CRM, track interactions religiously. Set reminders for follow-ups. Analytics, watch what content resonates. Double down on that. This hack isn't about tricks. It's about shifting your perspective, optimizing your presence, targeting with sniper precision, engaging authentically, and delivering value before you ever ask for the sale. It's about treating LinkedIn like the vibrant relationship-building platform it can be. Softer, reflective tone. 3 months ago, I was staring at a near-empty pipeline, doubting everything. I felt like I was shouting into the void. Then I committed to this system. Not perfectly, mind you. I had cringe-worthy DMs, posts that flopped, days I wanted to throw my laptop out the window, but I showed up, I focused, I iterated, built back up to high energy. And then the magic happened. Leads started pouring in, conversations turned into calls, calls turned into proposals, proposals turned into clients, 10, then 50, then 100, until we hit 500 clients in 90 days, not through spam, not through luck, through strategic human connection at scale. Point directly at the camera, intense eye contact. This is not out of your reach. Your dream clients are on LinkedIn right now, scrolling, posting, looking for solutions, maybe even looking for you, but they won't find you if you're hiding behind a boring profile and blasting generic connection requests. You have the power to turn LinkedIn into your most powerful sales engine right now, today. Start with your profile. Hunt your ideal 10 connections perfectly. Engage like you mean it. Deliver value first. The code is cracked. The path is laid out. Your 500 clients aren't a fantasy. They're your next 90-day reality. It takes work. Absolutely. It takes consistency. You bet. But is it worth it? When you see those notifications rolling in, when you close that deal you know came from your smart, authentic hustle on LinkedIn, there's no feeling like it. Smash that like button right now if this got you fired up. It tells the algorithm gods this content is gold and helps more hustlers like you find it. Share this video with one person in your network who needs to hear this message. Pay it forward. Let's build an army of LinkedIn legends together. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Because this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm dropping deep dive strategies, advanced hacks, and live Q&As every single week to fuel your journey to 500 clients and beyond. You don't want to miss what's coming. And finally, you're hungry for the complete blueprint, right? The exact scripts, the profile makeover templates, the step-by-step engagement system, the DM frameworks that convert, the stuff that took me years of trial and error and epic fails to perfect. I've packaged it all up. Head over to the link in the description below right now. You'll find my ultimate LinkedIn lead generation playbook packed with actionable guides, swipe files, video masterclasses, and my exclusive 590 client attraction system. Click that link in the description. Invest in yourself, invest in your lead machine. Your first 500 clients are waiting for you on LinkedIn. Go find them. Go hack LinkedIn, go build your empire, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, value first, hustle always. Get after it.